Everyone, please pay attention. Many people like to put these prawns directly into the pot after buying them. Cooked this way, the shrimp meat was dry and had a very strong fishy smell. It wasn't chewy at all. Today's video will teach you how to cook shrimp. The meat is cooked without adding a single drop of water throughout the entire process. It has a uniquely bouncy texture and no fishy smell. The recipe is also very simple. You can learn it after watching it once. First of all, we must buy fresh, live shrimp. Do not buy frozen shrimp. After we get back, we'll cut its head at an angle. Make one cut, then cut to the tip and insert. Remove the shrimp claws and veins. Give it the whole thing. Pull it out, that's all. Process all the shrimp. Okay, next I'll add some salt. You can add more salt. Next, add water to blanch the prawns. We'll rinse the prawns with a little salt. Water comes. Rinse it to retain its freshness. And the nutrients aren't lost. We should go to the toilet more often and change the water more frequently at home. See, the first one. After washing it thoroughly. This water is especially dirty. Next, in the pot. What? No need to add any ginger first. Let's add some ginger slices as a base, and then add plenty of scallions. Spread a thin layer on it. After we've cleaned and prepared the shrimp, we put them directly on top, and this salt. We only need to sprinkle a little bit on it. 2 pounds of shrimp and 5 grams of Sichuan peppercorns. Hey, you can add to his. Add a fragrance. This prawn doesn't need any additives throughout the entire process. After dripping water, put the lid on and then turn on the heat. Simmer it for 6 minutes and see how it goes. Let's use this time to prepare something delicious. The sauce includes chopped green onions, minced garlic, and chopped chili peppers. Then prepare one. Heat the oil to bring out its aroma, then use your small eating spoon. Hey, add 2 small spoonfuls of light soy sauce. Fragrant. Add 2 spoonfuls of vinegar, still using the same spoon. If you like horseradish, then serve it according to your own taste. Then, let's mix the sauce well, brothers and sisters. That's good. The sauce for eating. At home, no matter what kind of seafood you steam, shrimp, crab, or any other seafood, it tastes especially delicious. I share these delicious recipes with everyone on my homepage every day. There are already over 400 new recipes, each one. They all miss you so much they can't finish the car. If you love food and enjoy cooking, if you'd like, remember to like and save this video so we can make it whenever we want to eat something. Time. Who? You can find me. I also wish all my brothers and sisters good health and happiness. Disaster strikes 3 times, but benefactors appear 4 times, and wealth arrives 4 times. I've received Lao Tu's blessing. I've received it. I'm here. Grateful. Alright, time's up. Let's see how this shrimp is doing. Wow. So fresh. There's not a hint of fishiness. Let's look at what's underneath this shrimp. Lots of water. This is the water content of the shrimp meat itself. To preserve the shrimp's freshness, let's take it out of the pot, plate it, and arrange it nicely. We've finished making these delicious shrimp. Next, let's try the shrimp and see how it tastes. After picking it up, you'll see that it's very easy to peel. Because of the texture of the meat. The shrimp are incredibly firm, and look at them after peeling. Special. Isn't it incredibly complete? This prawn, you see, isn't it? The meat is so firm. Let's dip it in this special little sauce and taste it. It was so delicious, super fresh, and there wasn't a single fishy smell at all. If you want to try making this dish that no one else knows how to make, you absolutely must try it. The recipe is super simple. Brothers, this is highly recommended. You all have to try it. Want to eat it but don't know how. Video likes. Save this. Eat what you should eat, drink what you should drink, and what you shouldn't drink. See you tomorrow.